What if I told you that your words could literally rewire your brain to attract more money into your life? Hi, I'm Emma, your mindset coach and guide here on the Wealth Mindset channel, the place where belief meets abundance. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss a weekly dose of financial transformation. Stay with me till the end and you'll leave with a complete affirmation framework that's been changing lives. Affirmations are short, powerful, and positive statements that help rewire your subconscious beliefs. When repeated consistently, they influence how you think, act, and feel about money and success. When you speak affirmations, your brain starts creating new neural pathways. This is the science of neuroplasticity, where your repeated thoughts literally change your brain's wiring. Both science and spirituality agree what you say to yourself matters. Studies show that consistent positive self-talk enhances performance, mindset, and emotional resilience. Your beliefs control your behavior, even the ones you don't realize you have. Affirmations help reprogram these deep-rooted patterns, replacing doubt with confidence. Many people unconsciously reject money because of negative beliefs like money is evil or I don't deserve wealth. These beliefs create a gap between what we want and what we attract. The more often you repeat your affirmations, the stronger they become. Like training a muscle, your mindset grows with repetition and consistency. Start with clarity by defining your financial goals clearly. Whether it's saving for a house, increasing your income, or investing for the future, be specific and intentional. Use the present tense when writing affirmations. Saying I am financially free programs your mind to feel that truth now, not someday in the future. Include emotion in your affirmations to connect with your subconscious. Say how it feels like I feel abundant every day and let your heart respond. Make it believable, your mind must accept it as possible. Avoid unrealistic phrases that create resistance and choose empowering language that you can grow into. Keep your affirmations short and impactful. Simple, focused phrases are easier to remember and repeat daily. Practice your affirmations every day and make it part of your routine. Emma shows how repetition builds momentum and turns belief into behavior. Begin your day with intention by saying your affirmations right when you wake up. This simple morning ritual sets your mindset for success and attracts positivity all day long. Use the mirror technique to build confidence and connect with your inner self. Look yourself in the eye while repeating your affirmations. It makes your belief stronger. End your day by repeating affirmations before sleep to reach your subconscious mind. This reinforces your beliefs while your brain is most receptive to positive suggestions. Writing affirmations strengthens your connection with them. Journaling each day allows you to internalize and emotionally anchor your positive beliefs. Stay on track by setting reminders. Use your phone, sticky notes, or alarms to keep your mind aligned. Visual cues keep your affirmations alive throughout the day. Keep track of your progress to stay motivated. Emma uses an affirmation tracker to visualize her consistency and celebrate the small wins along the way. Visualization is about mentally seeing your financial goal as already accomplished. When you imagine your success clearly, your brain begins to believe it's already yours. Make the visualization vivid by using all 5 senses. Hear the sounds, smell the environment, and feel the textures of your dream lifestyle. Let emotion lead the way. Feel the joy, pride, and gratitude as if your goal is already yours. The more emotion you generate, the more powerful the visualization becomes. Combine your affirmations with visual anchors like a vision board. Pictures, symbols, and words make your mind associate feelings with images of your future success. Record your affirmations in your own voice and listen to them daily. Hearing your voice strengthens belief and reinforces your commitment, even when you're not speaking. Practice visualization for at least 1 minute every day. Emma guides you through a simple routine that creates emotional momentum and clarity in your goals. The first step is to identify your limiting beliefs, things like money is evil or I'll never be rich. These thoughts operate in the background and silently sabotage your progress. Reframe your story by shifting from statements like I can't to I'm learning to. This change empowers your brain to accept growth instead of fear. Once you recognize the negative belief, replace it with a positive affirmation. For example, turn I'll always be broke into I am becoming financially stable. Often, our limiting beliefs come from messages we heard in childhood. Healing your inner child helps remove the emotional blocks around money and worthiness. Track your negative thought patterns with awareness, not judgment. By observing them, you take back control and reduce their power over you. Replace and repeat. This is how you rewire your beliefs. The more consistently you replace the negative with the empowering, the stronger your mindset becomes. Having an affirmation buddy makes the journey easier and more motivating. Share your progress, exchange wins, and support each other's mindset growth. Schedule weekly check-ins to review your affirmations and realign your focus. A regular rhythm keeps you grounded, focused, and accountable for your growth. Celebrating small wins keeps you energized and encouraged. Every affirmation you act on is progress worth honoring, no matter how small. Keep your routine enjoyable by getting creative with your affirmations. Turn them into songs, poems, or fun visuals so the process stays playful and inspiring. Your affirmations should evolve as you grow. Don't be afraid to change the words when they no longer feel aligned. Adaptation is part of the journey. Join a community where affirmations are discussed and shared. Staying connected with others keeps your energy high and your motivation alive. Affirmations are powerful, but they require action to truly create change. Speaking positive words is just the beginning. Real progress happens when you take aligned steps. Make financial choices that align with your goals and values. Emma shares how a mindful spending plan supports your affirmations of abundance and control. Track your money without fear. It gives you power and clarity. Taking control of your finances is a bold step that affirms your worth and capability. Gratitude transforms your relationship with money. Celebrate the small wins daily, whether it's a saved dollar or a conscious decision. You're training your mind for abundance. Ask empowering questions like, how can I increase my income this week? These spark ideas and put you in a mindset of growth and possibility. Shift your thinking from scarcity to opportunity. See every expense as a decision, not a loss, and start treating money as a tool that works with you, not against you. So now you know exactly how to create, speak, and live your affirmations to manifest your financial goals. Remember, it's not magic, it's mindset. If you found value in this video, give it a like, share it with someone who needs to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe to Wealth Mindset for more weekly wisdom. Drop a comment below. What affirmation are you starting today? Let's get a powerful conversation going in the comments. This is Emma from Wealth Mindset, reminding you of the power of a wealthy mindset. You already have everything inside you to create financial freedom. Let your words lead the way. See you next week.